Okay, so we all know about the box, you know. It's like actually like more sturdy. It feels like a nice quality box. You know what I mean? It's not like your average Nike box. So, all right, okay. So what we have here is the shoe, of course, right? Now, me personally, these extra laces. These extra laces are a waste. I mean, I'm not gonna use them, but it's cool to have. I haven't seen a lace swap with these that looks good, in my opinion. So these I don't really care for. In this pack though, you got 2 Nike swooshes. Take it off here, throw it on there, swap it out, do whatever you want to do with it. Mine will probably and most likely stay in the bag. Alright, so let's put those to the side as well. I'll pick up a shoe. You have the AirMax 1 or 87 sole. Then you have like the upper of the 97, which he threw corduroy on there. A bunch of Nike swooshes. You know, you got the red on the insole and all that. The thing about this shoe, like what I've noticed from wearing it, is it does run big. I got mine in a 9.5. Still fits a little bit big. That's why I thought like maybe if I got a 9, it would fit snug and break in. Eventually fit like a little bit more roomy. But I think with that it would probably warp or shape the shoe. You know what I mean, mess up the shape of the shoe with a foot being stuck like crammed in there. But with getting a 9.5, you can see like right there, it's already starting to get a crease from walking in them, which I don't really care, but just expect that if you're going after these, and if you do have to pay the resale price, just expect that. The lace tips do have gold and silver tips. That's the bottom sole, the outsole, I mean. Denim. I mean, like I said, there's a lot of reviews out there that'll go in depth. The inside is velour. We'll say it's velour because that's what I'm pretty sure it is. So the inside is velour. But yeah, there's a lot more reviews. They'll go in depth or whatever. But I just want to talk more about how I got the shoe for retail. Okay, so now let's briefly just talk about how I got these for retail. So the original drop, which was on Air Max Day, right? Everything sold out. You couldn't get it. Sneakers app was impossible. And randomly, I get a notification on my phone that says like, oh, you have exclusive access, right? So I checked the notification. I didn't see anything in the sneakers app. So I figured whatever it was, I missed it. But I just sat on the sneakers app and I kept pulling down, refreshing it. The whole like drop of, you know, that cartoon, the animation they have for this sneaker popped up. It said checkout, price tag $160. Just do your whole thumbprint, however you have your sneaker set up. I thought it was like, you know, gonna be like a line and waiting, but no. As soon as I hit my thumbprint, hit buy or whatever, snapped right in and said you got it. What I'm guessing is, and what I think is something that Nike should be doing, is they see who's going after the shoe when you're logged in. I'm pretty sure they know how many people don't buy and how many people do buy. And what they did with this shoe, or what Sean asked them to do, was do a restock and send that notification out specifically to people who didn't buy. That's what I'm assuming. Not everybody who voted, but like the people who voted and got that missed out notification, that didn't buy notification. So it went back to us and we were able to buy them. So the other conversation I wanted to have is, if Nike and Sean are able to do this, that should open up the window for other collaborators, specifically Virgil and the Off-White. So thanks for watching the video.